Alright, so my wife and I just drove about an hour and a half to pick one way to go pick this pressure washer up off Facebook Marketplace. It's 50 bucks. It sells new for 300. It's the Harbor Freight gas pressure washer. The reason they were getting rid of it so cheap, let me see if I can find it. Okay, so the wand is broken, you can't use it. So what I did is I threaded out the fitting, and I had another wand from a different pressure washer that seized up, and I got that there. Took the fitting off of it, that one, which won't mount up, but put that piece in the vise. This thing was locked on solid, so use a little heat. It's still a little warm, but it's spinning off now. Let me grab a glove. Alright, so this doesn't have the depth that I need. Close up. Okay. Try and do this one-handed. To get in there and start threading on and clear all that. The other one, obviously, side by side, smaller, narrower, and it drops into there and threads in. So I'm going to see about getting just a brass adapter, not an adapter, extension, just to give it another inch out of that, and then we'll try that. Okay, so the next day, went and picked up another generator. You see that in a different one. And I went over to Ace and got the fittings to extend this for the pressure washer. And let me get those coupled together, and we'll see how this thing works. Fingers. Okay. So we got some Teflon tape and wrap on there. We'll see if it works. Okay, well, we got water coming through, get all the air out of the line. Or try. Not leaking too bad. A little bit. Don't know where it's coming from. Back here. Alright, so I'm going to set you up over here and see if we can. we go. 50 bucks. Now I gotta decide if I'm gonna keep it or throw it on Marketplace. Alright, well, if you like what you see, hey, like and subscribe. Or don't. Comment anything you want to see next down below, and we'll check you later. Alright, I lied. I'm going to change oil in this. I don't know when it was done, if ever. So you got the drain plug right there. You got one on each side. Not sure why they did that, but we'll pop them both and tip them both. I got two. This one's the dipstick. The other side has just a twist cap without a dipstick. So we'll open those both up, catch it all in the pan. That only takes like 0.6, just over half a quart. So I'm going to pop the drain and get going. But yeah, there's the dipstick and the drain off of this side. And it's almost done. But then I've got just a plug and a plug off of this side. I don't know if they think it's easier to fill on this side and just check the level on the other. I don't know. We'll double check it though. Alright, so my guess is that the drains and the, I guess, places you can check the oil are on either side because this engine could go on multiple applications. So I'm going to top it up and she's done. So, yeah, check back later on, guys. Have a good one.